Hi, I'm DJ from GarageFarm.net Academy. You're interested in archviz? Let me show you a cool project we've been working on lately. Last year, the whole world had to learn how to work remotely. We've decided to check if it's possible to put together a team of 3D artists from different parts of the world and using different softwares to create a series of archviz images, working only remotely and communicating just via internet. As a subject, we picked the Blender Guru's donut of archviz, a holiday cabin. With faith in our hearts and confidence in our 3D DCCs, we tackled the new project head-on, not dreading the inevitable pitfalls of software incompatibilities and internet connection issues. Along the way, we've recorded a series of tutorials with nuggets of CGI tips for you to include in your pipeline, including 3ds Max, Blender, and Substance Suit tutorials, as well as some general thoughts and lessons we've learned on art direction and pushing the project forward to reach its full potential. Whether you're a young CG Padawan or a seasoned archviz Jedi, a Blender evangelist or a hard-headed industry standard defender, we believe that you will find the series interesting, useful, and sometimes entertaining. Did we succeed? Have we made the next world's greatest renders? Or at least satisfy the client? You will learn this and much more by watching the series coming out this August every Monday and Friday on GarageFarm.net Academy. So subscribe if you haven't yet and ring that notification bell so you don't miss out on the episodes. By the way, yes, we did cheat to beat the deadlines by using GarageFarm.net Render Farm to crush the competition. Wait, there was no competition. Am I getting paranoid? Anyway, let's get serious. See you in the tutorial series. They will be serious. Seriously. Inevitable pitfalls! Inevitable pitfalls!